tap play to start learning. Common animals.
Cow,
Cow.
cow,
Cow. 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 Grass is a cow's main source of food. Grass is a cow's main source of food. Grass is a cow's main source of food.
Horse. Horse. Horse.
horse, 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 horse,
Horse riding is a fun pastime for all ages. Horse riding is a fun pastime for all ages. Horse riding is a fun pastime for all ages.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Chicks often follow their mother chicken to find food. Chicks often follow their mother chicken to find food. Chicks often follow their mother chicken to find food.
Pig. Pig. Pig.
Pig, 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 pig.
Pigs love to bask in mud. Pigs love to bask in mud. Pigs love to bask in mud.
Cow.
Cow, horse,
Horse. Chicken.
Chicken.
pig.
Pig.
Bee, N,
O. B. An. O.
Of,
by,
Us. Body parts.
head, head, head,
Head. 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 Head.
Can you point to your head? Can you point to your head? Can you point to your head?
Hand. Hand. Hand.
Hand. Hand. Hand. Hand.
Can you open your hands? Can you open your hands? Can you open your hands? Arm. Arm. Arm.
Arm. Arm. Arm. Arm.
The children raised their arms with joy. The children raised their arms with joy. The children raised their arms with joy.
Finger. Finger. Finger.
Finger. Finger. Finger. Finger. Finger. Can you point with your finger? Can you point with your finger? Can you point with your finger? Head.
Head.
Hand.
Hand. Arm.
Arm.
Finger.
Finger.
Ka. 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 Car. 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 Ca. Cap. 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 Ca. Cow. 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 Cow.
Words start with C.
Crab.
Coal. Color. Canal.
Curl. Coral.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
Chicken. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job!
Cow.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic! Arm.
Which one is horse?
Try again.
Awesome! Horse.
Can you point to finger?
Fantastic!
Finger. Can you pick out
Pig. Let's try that again. That's right. Pig. Can you pick out
B? That is right.
Can you point to
O? Fantastic.
Can you pick out?
Of.
Good try. Try again.
try again? Awesome!
Tap on the picture to hear the word.
Fantastic!
Car.
You did it!
Cow.
You did it.
Cap.
Hooray! You have finished a lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker.
Play lessons to earn more stickers.
No.